Hello everyone, and welcome to the AI for Graphic Designers training series. I'm really excited to have you here as we explore how artificial intelligence is reshaping the way we approach creativity, design, and communication. Over the next sessions, we'll uncover practical tools, workflows, and real-world applications that can help you save time, boost creativity, and deliver designs that stand out. Whether you're a beginner testing AI tools for the first time or an experienced designer looking to integrate AI into your professional projects, this series is designed to give you clear guidance, hands-on examples, and fresh inspiration. So let's get started and see how AI can become a powerful creative partner in your design journey. When we think about working with AI, it really helps to view it through the assistant mindset. Think of AI as a capable intern. It's highly skilled, very fast, and can handle a wide range of creative and technical tasks. But just like an intern, it requires precision in how you guide it. If you don't give clear instructions or set specific boundaries, it may wander off and create something on its own, which could include mistakes or results you didn't expect. AI works best when you provide it with detailed context and examples. The more information, references, and clarity you include, the better it can align with your vision. If you're vague or leave too much open, the output may look creative but won't necessarily meet your needs. So always remember, AI is powerful, but it's context dependent. Use it as a partner in the design process, give it structure, and it will multiply your creativity. Leave it without direction, and it might deliver surprises you weren't planning for. At the heart of using AI effectively is communication. The way you interact with AI will directly shape the quality of its output. So let's focus on these key principles. First, provide context. Always include examples and relevant background information. The more details you give, the more accurately the AI can understand and deliver what you want. Second, iterate and refine. Don't expect perfect results on the first try. Review the output, give feedback, and adjust your instructions, just like you would when collaborating with a human designer. This process helps you zero in on the best results. Finally, be specific. Remember, the quality of your output depends on the quality of your input. The more precise and focused your instructions, the stronger your final results will be. So, treat every AI interaction as an opportunity to communicate clearly, provide strong context, and continually refine for the best possible outcome. Let's look at both sides of using AI in design, its benefits and some pitfalls to watch out for. On the benefits side, AI can bring a 70% increase in productivity, help you rapidly prototype and ideate, and reduce costs for asset creation. It's great for personalization at scale and can really help when you're stuck, breaking creative blocks. But we need to be mindful of potential pitfalls. There's a risk of generic or similar outputs if we rely too heavily on AI, and there are copyright issues to consider. Over-reliance may reduce opportunities for personal skill development, and sometimes outputs can be inconsistent in quality. Finally, there are ethical concerns, especially around how data is used. So as you integrate AI into your workflow, aim to maximize the benefits while staying aware of these challenges, using AI as a tool to support your creativity and professional growth, not as a substitute. As you start integrating AI into your design process, here are some important do's and don'ts to keep in mind. On the do's side, learn prompt engineering techniques. This will help you give AI better instructions. Begin with strong traditional design skills. AI is most powerful when you combine it with a solid foundation. Use AI for inspiration and iteration. Let it spark new ideas, but keep the creative control in your hands. Always credit sources appropriately if you're using references or generated assets. And don't forget to test multiple AI tools to discover what works best for your projects. Now, a few important don'ts. Don't rely solely on AI without understanding basic design principles. Avoid using copyrighted material in prompts. This can create legal problems. Don't just accept the first output, refine and improve it. Never skip learning design fundamentals or ignore ethical considerations. And finally, don't try to replace human creativity entirely. AI is here to assist, not to take over your creative process. By following these guidelines, you can make the most of AI while staying true to your skills and ethics as a designer. When it comes to building your essential AI tool stack for design, it's important to strike the right balance between capability and budget. For image generation and graphic design, core tools you should have include an Adobe Creative Cloud subscription, Canva Pro for fast and versatile design, Leonardo AI for advanced image creation, and Pixelman AI for specialized tasks. On the video generation side, I recommend tools like OpenArt AI, Pixverse AI, Google AI Pro, and Digen AI, all of which can handle a range of video needs, from quick concept videos to high-quality commercial content. The good news is, you can access a powerful combination of these platforms on a budget of just $10 to $30 per month, especially by choosing monthly or annual plans and mixing free tiers where possible. This gives you a robust creative toolkit without overspending, perfect for freelancers and teams alike. Let's take communication with AI a step further by using the CLEAR framework. This approach helps us structure our instructions clearly, making sure the AI gets every detail it needs for quality results. Start with context. What are you designing? Where will it be used? And when? Next, think about length and format, the dimensions, style, or format you want your output in. Refinement is all about the specific tweaks or adjustments you need, whether it's color choices or branding rules. You should always provide examples, reference styles, or similar works help guide the output. And don't forget the audience. Who is this design for? Defining your target group will shape the look and feel. As shown here, you can combine everything into a prompt like, create a minimalist logo for eco-friendly startup, 500 by 500 pixels vector format, inspired by Patagonia's clean aesthetic, targeting millennial consumers, reusing green and earth tones only. By building your prompts using Clear, you set AI up for success, getting results that are on brief, efficient, and tailored to your project needs. As designers, think of yourself as a director setting the vision and making creative decisions, and as a pilot using AI tools to steer and enhance your work. Key point: AI is the instrument. You are the operator. Big Tech is investing over $364 billion in AI this year, transforming every part of our industry. Commercial projects focus on budgets and returns, while entertainment priorities are personal choice and creativity. It's better to invest time and energy in commercial projects. Understanding both worlds helps you thrive as AI reshapes design. AI is your assistant, but you are the creator. Your vision and skills lead the way, and together you can create something truly outstanding and valuable for businesses. The AI industry is rapidly growing, and the role of the AI artist has tremendous potential in the near future. To become a professional AI artist, start by mastering traditional art. Then implement design projects using software tools. And only after building this strong foundation, move toward experimenting with AI. Remember, using AI tools is the final stage, so practice regularly. Always use your own imagination, and blend your creative thinking with technology to stand out as a leader in this evolving field.